I bought some cute things from Savannah from my adult money, and let me show you what are those cute things because I cannot wait to show you guys, and I can bet that you will love all of this and can't wait but to order from Savannah. Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanishika. First of all is a solid hair tire which costed me 190. Now this one was a very unique one. I thought buying some hair accessories before I went short. Like I literally went short, but short होने के पहले I bought this, and when I had a bit long hair before making this video, I also made this videos while using those hair tire. इट वॉज सो ईजी. आई मीन मुझे काफी ज्यादा प्यारा लगा. इसमें एक और ऑप्शन था इन ब्लैक, बट द व्हाइट वन वॉज वेरी मच मतलब ऐसा ब्राइट लग रहा था. सो आई बॉट दिस व्हाइट वन, एंड ऐसा आप रोल करके, इफ यू हैव लॉन्ग हेयर देन ऐसा आप रोल करके टाई अप योर हेयर. सो ऑन दोज डेज व्हेन यू हैव बैड हेयर डे and you don't know what to style, you can use this hair tie. It is so easy to use. Obviously you need somebody to help because I took my mother's help to do this. I was not able to do it alone, but if you try you can do it alone, and it is absolutely great one. Next up is this K-pop hair bow clip which costed me 190. There were different colors, I mean like varieties of colors in red, blue, yellow. I bought this pink one because pink is so cute, and there were 12 bow clips like this. And when I had long hair, I styled on my whole hair. Now it is up to you how you want to style this bow clips. If I talk about the quality, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत ही लो मटेरियल क्वालिटी से बना है. बहुत ही मतलब the clip is so hardy and the quality of the bow is also very good. You can style this in so many ways, even if you have long hair or short hair or whatever, because बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है and different ways you can style this. I absolutely adored. Again, on those bad hair days, this is something is a savior for me. Next up is this 3-piece hair tie which costed me 159, and there were other option in silver, but I think the gold one was much better. It will look better on the hair because I have dark hair, so I bought this gold one. There was 3 hair tie, and उसके ऊपर they have this metallic ribbon. 3 एक साथ use करना in the segments like how I have used it in the video. In this way you can style this hair tire. बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिखता है. Once I have wore this in office and everyone was complimenting. They were literally saying कि कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है, बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. So tie one hair and then थोड़ा सा segment छोड़ के tie another hair tire, and थोड़ा सा और segment छोड़ के tie another one, and थोड़ा सा fluffy कर दो बीच में से, and you will have this hairstyle. And it's so easy to make, and it will uplift your style instantly. Next I bought a scarf which costed me 890. इसमें एक ही option था this color. So यहाँ पे देख के मुझे काफी ज्यादा प्यारा लगा कि बहुत ही अच्छा. But when I got this scarf, if you can see, I have shot this in natural light, but can you see the glitter it has? I mean, my mind was blown seeing this because it was this glittery shiny scarf. मेरे को लगा कि normal white of beige color का कोई scarf होगा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा and all, but this मतलब it was not glitter. I would say it was a shine which was reflecting under natural sunlight. If I move the scarf, you can see कि the shine is reflecting. मुझे तो काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा था, and it was soft as well, and एकदम ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं था. यू कैन यूज दिस स्कार्फ फॉर नॉर्मल वेयर, एंड ऑल्सो scarf as a top design करके you can style this because this is not transparent. So I will make a separate video where I will show you how you can use a scarf and make top out of it in different ways. You can wear a scarf as a top. So for that you need to patiently wait and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss those new videos that are going to come up. Next up is a ear cuff. Now I never had a ear cuff, but it was something very interesting, so I thought about why not, let's try it. And it costed me 290. There were other option in silver, so gold था और silver था, so I bought silver. 3 pieces का ये ear cuff था, and I'm still wearing the one because I was upset. मेरे को लग नहीं रहा था कि how I'm supposed to wear. It was constantly falling. And I figured it out. And you can wear like ऐसा 3 करके और एक भी तुम पहन सकते हो like this how I'm wearing. And it is up to you. मुझे तो काफी ज्यादा प्यारा लगा. Somebody who does not have ear cuff piercing, and I'm not quite sure to do like permanent ear cuff piercing. These are so good because it can uplift your style again, and as a it looks so good, you know, having those ear cuffs sometimes. So I absolutely adore this. Next up is this geometric stud which costed me 290. मुझे काफी ज्यादा प्यारा लगा ये geometric stud. If you can see, they have this droplets structure. This was a rose gold, not like pure gold wala color, but this is again anti-tarnish, so it will not get tarnished. And I love the quality. It is so light also. मुझे ये डिजाइन तो काफी ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. This whole geometric droplet structure जो भी है बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारा लगा. I can style this in so many ways. ऑफिस में भी पहन सकते हो. Will look so subtle, so good. I think it's a great one. Next up is something which is I never thought I would buy a body accessorize, which is this body chain which costed me 290. I never thought I'm gonna buy this body chain. I mean, it makes me look sexy when I wear it. I was like, oh, okay, let me try this one. Like, let's see how it looks. So when it comes, I was so confused, like how to wear this, how to do this. I mean, like it is so confusing. But then when I figured it out, it looks something like this. I think it's so cool and so, you know, vibey and Gen Z and sexy. Like if you wear some top or something like bralette or crop top like this, you can wear these kind of, or bikini, you can wear these kind of body chains, and they have this small diamonds as well. बहुत ही sleek एक chain है. It is very beautiful. मुझे काफी ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा, and it is also looking good on me. So I think it will look good on you as well if you are into body accessories. So मुझे काफी ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा. I think this is a good investment that I did. Next up is a sock that I got in 390. They were different color, but I got in white. I was not having any socks lately, proper अच्छा quality socks, so I bought this one, and it has friction gravity under the foot as well, जो is so good because वही होता है socks में कि on slippery areas you get slipped. I mean gym में when you are wearing socks only without the shoes, sometimes it happens that you get slipped and all because slippery हो जाता है, and for that this is a very good one to have a friction. You will not get slippery, and मुझे ये काफी ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. एकदम proper clean white with black border on the above. So there is a snake belt which costed me 490. I wanted to have a belt, like just a belt, so I found this one and it says snake belt, so I got it. थोड़ा सा thick belt है, not like पतला वाला जैसा होता है, but I loved it because मेरे को कुछ ऐसा ही thick मोटा belt चाहिए था, and when I wore it, it's so comfortable, so good. बहुत ही अच्छे से fit आ गया था. Fitting was so perfect. I so aesthetic. I mean, wearing on this jeans, it is giving that uplift to the jeans. The belt is so good. I absolutely loved. The last one that I got is a tote bag which costed me 841. There were different colors. It was in green, in red, in brown, beige, and in chocolate. But I thought, skip everything. Let's buy the black because black goes with everything, and I really wanted to have a big bag so that whenever I go to cafes for work and editing, I can carry most of the things like my iPad, and this bag is so big, you can literally put your iPad and put other stuff as well. बहुत ही ज़्यादा spacious है, and it is not like those kind of tote bag which are in cotton. This is a leather and बहुत ही अच्छा quality था. They have this belt adjustment. You can adjust the height according to you as well. मुझे ये क्वालिटी तो काफी ज्यादा प्यारा लगा. It fits so many things inside. This is a tote bag, so only button is there. There is no chain and there is no like pocket inside. You keep small things inside, वो शायद हो जा सकता है and you have to find it out. But other than that, if your choice to have something like big bag, tote bag, you can go for this option. It's a great one. So that's it, guys. I've shown you all the things that I got from Savannah. This time I got some different things, and I will give all the links in the description. Make sure you check that out. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable.